All right, DIY fossil at your service again. Listen, this is something that is major, but it's minor. I'm in my Nissan Titan truck, and the gear slipped into reverse, and I put it in park and it's still reverse, and I put it in neutral and it's still reverse. So I cut the bad boy off. You hear my blinkers going on. I cut it off, but let me show you what's going on. Okay, we have a little problem here in my Titan truck. That's too small up there. Okay, so I had to take this piece off, and the gear here, of course, I had to take this off as well. Okay. Let me see if you can see down here. Yeah. All right. This thing right here, it came off. This whole piece came off, and that's what was causing the gear not to be able to, go into the different areas. So what I did, for my job, I found one of these things. This is not the proper, I call it 𝗖𝗟𝗜𝗖𝗞. It's not the proper one to put on there, but as you can see, I have one on there now, and it's holding okay. So now I'm able to change the gear, and it is fixed. Let me show you. Let me get on the other side. Hold on. Okay, so let me show you. Now that I put that piece on there, I can put it in neutral, reverse, and drive. I couldn't do that because that piece, I don't know if you can see that piece right here, that came off. So DUI at your service. I couldn't start it, but look, now she starts. Okay, something to help you out. So now basically just get this in position, and fine. Okay. This way back. Put it way back here. Another gear, so I can find that hole right there. That's where it goes in there. All right. And this right here goes inside here. So we want to be able to sort of get this side in first. Right there. Push it up. In. Apparently somebody had this off before, prior to me getting this piece. Somehow pop that in there. Console. All right, let me get that popped in, but she is in now and ready to go. All right. There we go. All right, tighten that up. One more, tighten. All right, so in reverse. Yep. Neutral. Rolls. Drive. Forward. worldwide apostle at your service. You can do it, my friend. We can do all things through Christ that strengthens us.